namna rupatmano buddhi swarini va gunanvita tannishta magasyeha kim asatkarma bhi bhave. Narad Muni had described a woman who was a professional prostitute. Harishwas understood the identity of this woman. Mixed with the word of passion, the unsteady intelligence of every living entity is like a prostitute who changes dress just to attract one's attention. If one fully engages in temporary fruitive activity, not understanding how this is taking place, what does he actually gain? Very nice symbolism. The mind has been compared to a prostitute. In fact, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada even compares tongue to a prostitute. The tongue should be chaste. The tongue is given by the Lord to glorify Him. But with this tongue we use to speak nonsense thing, he says this tongue is also a prostitute. Okay? So here, the mind. Yes, it's very, very nice symbolism. What is the business of the prostitute? For her profession, she wants to attract the attention of a man who is chaste to his wife. Prostitute cannot exist if men are chaste to their wife. Correct? Prostitute, Vedic time, take a culture where people are honest. Brahmacharis means they are brahmacharis. Grahastha, they are grahasthas. So the prostitute has no business. She is out of business then. Brahmachari means nothing to do with woman. Grahastha means everything to do only with his wife. So prostitute का क्या काम है? Business ठप. So उसका क्या काम है? How to attract either of them from their chastity, break their chastity. That is the work. Just like, we remember the example, Haridas Thakur. And what happened? Prostitute could not do anything. Why? He was fixed. He was fixed in his vrata. He is not an ordinary person. We cannot imitate. But we can understand at least the position of Haridas Thakur. He is so advanced devotee. In fact, he was tested twice. Once Haridas Thakur was tested by prostitute. And what was the second time he was tested by? Maya Devi herself. And both the times, nothing happened to him. He was so peacefully chanting. The first time the prostitute became bewildered actually because she felt ashamed of herself. Within 3 days of time, he kept tricking her. Every day he used to say, come next day morning. Whole night he will be chanting. And in the end of the night, she will say, what happened? You promised me. You know the story, now everybody knows. Haridas Thakur was chanting. And one man got envious of him. He is getting so popular. That is the nature. Atmat manate jagat. Everybody thinks everybody is like me. So he must be also making some pakhandi hai. Khali log aise hi karte hain. So he sent a prostitute. Just I want to prove to the world he's also a man like him. But he was chanting. The prostitute came. He said, I want to embrace you. So that's fine. Just sit down. Let me finish my chanting. And he kept chanting whole night. And the morning, he said, I'm very sorry. I could not finish. You come again. He was tricking her, she was tricking. Who will win? Then you have to be strong, no? Otherwise, Maya will win. But what generally happens, Maya wins. We don't win. Always the fight is going on. Therefore, Prabhupada said, never leave the process of Krishna consciousness. Finally, Krishna will win. Let there be a war between Krishna and Maya. Who will win? Krishna will win. But the war should happen means you have to chant. We don't chant means war is over. Finished. Sometimes people say, how are you chanting? No, nowadays I'm not able to chant. Maya, just a matter of days, Maya will just follow you. Not only hit you, she will just, python hota hai na, pura andar kha jata hai. So if you stop chanting 16 rounds, be sure Maya will pura kha jayegi. There's so many boys who are chanting 16 rounds with us, just check with them. Those who are not chanting, unka to halat pura khatam. They just forget everything. So this is first principle. And then again, let us complete the story. Again she came next day and again Haridas Thakur kept chanting. She waited. He said, no, don't worry, I'll finish. He assuring us, but thoda hi bacha hai, khatam hone wala, kya bolte na? Some services, they will say 16 rounds is over. It's finishing, little remaining. तो सेम हरिदास ठाकुर, थोड़ा है, एक माला बचा है बस, बैठो बैठो, खत्म होने वाला है. लाइक दैट अगेन इट डिड ड्रामा एंड अगेन इट गॉट ओवर द नाइट. इसे क्या है तुम्हारा, जब भी खत्म नहीं होता. अरे अभी शुरू कर रहा हूँ मैं, अभी अभी आ जाओ, जल्दी आओ आज. So next third day she came little early and he was in his chanting. And then we should not imitate the activity. And then third day night, hearing chanting of a pure devotee. She also was, born in the Vedic culture. She saw Tulsi. He was just sitting in front of Tulsi, no deities, nothing. So she also in between once in a while, just for imitation, Hari Hari, she also started uttering. Kya karo, baithe baithe bore ho rahe. But as hearing the chanting from a pure devotee, she started feeling actually such a great saint. What I come to do, some useless activities. She felt ashamed. And then she fell at his feet. Please forgive me. And make me a disciple. He said, that's fine. Whatever you earn by this nasty profession, you give it away. You give it a charity to the saintly people and to the temples and come. So she did that, sacrificed everything and came. And she came at his feet. He said, okay, now you sit down here and chant. And she started chanting 192 rounds every day. Same, Guru ke jaisa shishya. And then, people became wonderstruck. And the power of Haridas Thakur became known to the world. He's so powerful, an Acharya. Can just turn around. So Prabhupada says in the purport there, if you read purport, very, very nice. Each person of this Krishna consciousness movement, it says, has been saved from an abominable condition. Had we not taken to Krishna consciousness, we would have also gone to the abominable life. We should be very serious. Then another time, Haridas Thakur has gone to meet Advaita Acharya, and there he is staying in a cave. And there again he is tested, not this time by a professional prostitute, by a Maya Devi herself, personified. You cannot imagine the beauty. The whole, the cave was glowing with the beauty of the Maya Devi. Correct? Golden color, can't even imagine. And Haridas Thakur not affected. So 3 nights happened like this, again, same drama. And after 3 nights she paid obeisances. She said, I am the external potency of the Lord, wife of Lord Shiva. Even my husband cannot handle this. Who are you? Who are you, bhai? Actually, she doesn't know. He's Brahma, father of her husband, sitting there at Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur is the incarnation of Brahma. So, he's also said to be partial incarnation of Prahlad also. Okay? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, you are like Prahlad was. So, Haridas Thakur is chanting. And she says, I got Ramanama from my husband. My husband is fond of chanting Ramanama. Rama. That's why we come to know Lord Shiva is a great devotee, Lord Rama. Rama. He has given me Ramanam. But this Krishna Nam is even more sweeter. Please give me Diksha. So he gives Diksha to Maya Devi. So Prabhupada says there, if you become a nice devotee, even Maya Devi will offer obeisances to you. Correct? And she is very pleased actually. Just like a teacher. Maya's business is to test you. What is the business? To test you. So, this kind of exams you cannot handle. And Krishna will not give you now. But they will come later. Exam will only improve, become tougher and tougher. So, is there a teacher having an intention to hit you hard or something? No. The intention of teacher is what when he is giving you exam? To make you a better student. So, examinations are welcome. So, if you are ready to quickly advance, then very tough exams will also come. Okay, so, we have to hold on. So, here very nice instruction is being given by Narada. And he told them just one shloka. He mentioned different things. What are the 3 things we have discussed till now? He discussed there is a hole. If you go there, you do not come back. Now in this shloka is discussing about a professional prostitute. Then he discussed about the body, okay, as a field of activities. 3. They will try to understand every word of only one shloka that he told. And just by that, they will become fully self-realized. And the essence they have caught. Every shloka, what is it ending with? Kim asat karma bhi bhavet. What is the use of temporary fruitive activities? लोग भाग रहे हैं, ये करेंगे, वो बनेंगे, ये बनेंगे. एंड व्हाट इज नारद मुनि सेइंग? किम सत्कर्म भी भवेत. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ टेम्पररी फ्रूटिव एक्टिविटी? करेक्ट? Fruitive, why? I want to achieve something from that. What is the use of that? It's not that we are not going to do activities, but it is done as a duty. We are not attached to the fruits when you do activity. Something you have to do to fill our belly. Correct? But you should not get attached to the fruit and पूरा दिन रात इतना मिलेगा, फिर ये करूँगा, फिर ऐसा मजा करूँगा. किम असत कर्म भी भवेत. नारद मुनि से ऐसे पागल होने का क्या फायदा है? And this is a very beautiful symbolism, prostitute. The mind is like a prostitute. Why? The mind and intelligence, subtle body, will keep taking something attractive to distract you away from your service to Krishna. Yes, वो तो जपा टाइम तो पूरा दिखता है. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. When you're chanting, you should chant like this. Nothing should come in the mind. But no, mind will take, like a prostitute का business क्या है? To take your mind away. Will take some form. Hare Krishna, and then you cannot chant. Are you chanting it just वो चल रहा है कि जैसा होता ना, ये बारात में नहीं होता, क्या होता है? एक ड्रम बजाते हैं लोग, ठीक है? किसी को मतलब नहीं है क्या कर रहा है, बट वो बीट मिल गई, नाचता रहता है. तो सिमिलरली हरे कृष्ण मंत्र बिकम्स लाइक अ बीट इन द बैकग्राउंड, एंड मन नाचता रहता है, उधर गए. ये खाली एक लाइक बीच में एक पीछे ड्रम चल रहा है. वी डोंट इवन नो कि कृष्ण का नाम. सो वी शुड बी वेरी कॉन्शियस. There are different ways you can improve your quality of chanting. We should be very conscious. One of the ways, you should know your position. Every day, whole day, Krishna will show the fever we are having. We should be very introspective. अभी भी दिल में बहुत गंदगी है, अभी भी बहुत डिजायर है इंद्रिय भोग का. पूरा दिन दिखता है ना. Krishna will show. The prostitute nature of the mind will be shown by Krishna to you whole day. Watch it. ठीक है, वी डोंट पुट आवर माइंड, बट यू नो काइंड ऑफ प्रपोजल्स माइंड इज गिविंग होल डे गोज ऑन कचरा, है ना. दैट इज अ थिंकिंग लेवल. एंड इफ यू आर वीक एट फीलिंग लेवल ऑल्सो, सम डिस्टर्बेंस विल बी. आई वांट दिस संस्कृत, आई वांट, एंड विलिंग करूंगा. इवन दो वी नो कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस, वी कैन सी द गंदगी गोइंग इन आवर हार्ट एट थिंकिंग, फीलिंग एंड विलिंग लेवल. माइंड इज स्टिल नॉट क्लीन. जैसे हार्ड डिस्क को करते हैं ना फॉर्मेट, जपा इज नथिंग बट फॉर्मेटिंग द होल हार्ड डिस्क. थिंकिंग लेवल, feeling level, and worse at willing level, unwanted desires are piled up. Correct? So what do you do when you when you chant Hare Krishna? You should know this is the time for cleaning this hardest. Just like we take bath. If you're gone in the whole day and you're seeing so much dirt is there, correct? You see kachara is there. Then when you're taking bath next day, what you'll do? Nicely you'll scrub, no? Why? Because you know I have to clean. So when you're doing japa, that is the best time for cleaning. 2 hours of meditation. So we should be very, very attentive in chanting. Because you know my condition. If you forget for what you're chanting, then this just becomes a ritual. Just like Brahman log ritual करते हैं ना, टम 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 टम, खट खट खट, बेल बत्ती, ये बात, कुछ मन ही नहीं है, चल रहा है ना. बुलाते हैं ना पूजा के टाइम, we call some Brahmana, they are doing something. Where is their mind? Their mind is here and there. ये कितना दक्षिणा देगा, लास्ट टाइम कम दिया, ये वो, मन उधर है उसका, क्या वो पूजा कर रहा है. कुछ फायदा नहीं. Therefore Kali-yuga there is only one puja. What is the puja? Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare. चैतन्य महाप्रभु के टाइम भी चैतन्य से बोला ये सब बंद करो, हरे कृष्ण मंत्र जप करो, वैकुंठ जाओ. सारे ब्राह्मण गुस्सा हो गए. बिकॉज अपना हिंदू धर्म का मतलब क्या है लोगों का? मतलब ये है कि पूजा पाठ होता है, उसमें पंडित जी को बुलाने का, पूजा होने का, हो गया हमारा धर्म. या मंदिर चले गए कभी कभी, ये हो गया हमारा धर्म. कुछ ज्ञान नहीं, कुछ जानने की इच्छा नहीं, कुछ नहीं. टोटल नियोफाइट डिवोटीज, है ना. यही है बेसिकली पब्लिक, कोई ज्ञान नहीं. बट है दिस शुड नॉट बी अवर एटीट्यूड. ठीक है. सो हम लोग जो जब करते हैं, फिर क्या हम में क्या डिफरेंस है? हम भी वही हैं. नहीं, अपना पोजीशन समझने का. Therefore Prabhupada says, my disciples will be effective when they know the purifying power of the holy name. समझ रहे हैं? मतलब आपको इतना तो दिखने का, ये मेरे मन को धो रहा है डेली, इतना तो दर्शन होने का. अभी भगवान का दर्शन तो नहीं होगा, अभी इतना तो दर्शन होना ही का कि जो नाम है भगवान का मेरे मन को धो रहा है डेली, ये प्रत्यक्ष होने का। मेरा बैठे थे ये हालत थी, जैसे आप नहाने गए पूरा गंदगी थी, नहा के आए हाँ सब साफ, तो इतना तो दिखने का डेली। At least the mind should come to Sattva-guna after your chanting. Forget about in the beginning stage of love of Krishna and waves of love of Krishna. Bhakti means actually the sweetness. Correct? Yesterday we were hearing Prabhuji. Bhakti means the sweetness of our love to Krishna. अरे वो आएगी बाद में, पहले मन को तो धो. Because first stage is anartha nivritti. Anartha nivritti means mind is washed. That should happen. Then come ruchi. Then come next stage is nishtha, ruchi will come later. First anartha nivritti should happen. We cannot jump to the higher stages where we feel so much pleasure in Krishna's devotion service. That will take time. But at least we should be very, very attentive, knowing my condition. My heart is washed. And then we feel so much pleasure in Krishna's devotion service. Okay? But the mind will not allow you. The business of the mind is not to allow you. That is test of Maya. When you're chanting Hare Krishna, Maya, immediately mind will take one form and you will get attracted. Now take something more I wanted to add. Bhagavatam has a very beautiful area where there are 2 shlokas which describe the nature of literatures. Who knows the shloka? Nayad vachas chitra padam harer yasho jagat parit pavitram pranigita karhe chet tadvayasam tirtam ushanti manasa. It says, if there is some words which do not describe the glories of the Lord, Nayad vachas chitra means they are very beautifully decorated words. But they are not glorifying the Lord. Harer Yasho, the glories of the Lord are not there. Jagat Pavitram, even though the glories of the Lord can totally, Jagat Pavitram, can totally purify this world, there is not there at all. Pranighita Karehechet. Tadvayasam Tirtham. That place is a place of pilgrimage for crows. समझ आ गया? Any literature. People are very attracted to hearing novels, watching movies, reading newspaper. But is there glorification of the Lord there? Nayad Vachas Chitra, very nicely decorated. Sometimes, just like a TV mein they made Mahabharata, Ramayana, very nicely decorated. You can't take your eyes out. Total waste. Because there is no proper glorification of the Lord. Tadavayasam Tirtham. Even that becomes a pilgrimage place for crows, even though it's a description of glories of God. Because after hearing that, nobody feels any devotion to God. हमारे जैसे थे कोई भगवान. No glorification. Because God cannot be glorified except by a devotee. We have to see the life of the person who is acting and who is written. They are not devotees. So what benefit they can give you? Correct? They should be devotees. Nayad vachas chitra padam harer yasho jagat pavitram pranighita karehechet. Jagat pavitram. The glories of the Lord can purify the whole world. But these words are not there. Tadvayasam tirtham is the pilgrimage place for the crow. Then, what is the last line? Tadvayasam tirtham ushanti manasaha. Then? So a person is not interested in such. And then it says the next shloka. Tadvag visargo janataga viplavo. So whereas there may be a composition which is for Janataga Viplava, Tadavaya Samtirtam Ushanti Manasa, Tadavaga Visargo, and there may be a composition which is not pure. There are so many mistakes in it. But there is sincere effort to glorify the Lord. There is a very, very sincere effort to glorify the Lord. Yasmin Pratishloka Abhadivati api. Even if there is a mistake in every shloka, every word, error in every word, totally mistake, does not matter. All the sadhavas, all the saintly people still accept such a literature, even though there may be a mistake. So now there are 2 kinds of literatures. Here somebody may do glorification of the Lord, But we are not able to give all the 3D effects, this and all. We cannot present like that. We don't have that power. We should have, but we don't have. Doesn't matter. Those who are saintly people will accept this because it's the honest attempt to glorify the Lord. In fact, this shloka, second shloka, Prabhupada puts the introduction of Bhagavatam. He says, English is a foreign language for me. On the order of my Guru, I am writing. But I will be making a lot of mistakes in grammar, maybe so many ways I am making. But please try to understand the seriousness of this message. Just like a house is on fire and that man outside may not know you, you are in a foreign country, still you will make some symbols, no? Because some emergency is there. Similarly, there is an emergency in this world. People have become mad. They are going crazy. The mind like a prostitute is dragging them here and there and they are destroying their life. Dikh raha nahi, sabko dikha. When we met in your college in the first year, practically all boys are so innocent. So many I remember, even now. And at the end of fourth year, they went learning all the vices. All sinful activity. देखा नहीं पहले साल में ऐसे जैसे बिल्कुल मतलब भोले भाले और फोर्थ ईयर दे कम आउट उनका चेहरा भी मतलब भयानक दिखता है कुछ का है चेहरा भी भोला वाला नहीं बिल्कुल भयानक और सारी बुरी आदतें आती हैं सब सीख लिया पढ़ाई किया नहीं किया पता नहीं ये तो सीख लिया so this is actually a reality so we see this dangerous position we want to act to somehow protect this dangerous position and maybe we don't have the best we are not expert in that language we try our best there's some mistakes may happen but those who are honest they take it as wonderful a sincere attempt and whereas there was beautiful decoration of words and glorification of the Lord but because there was no attempt to glorify the Lord that is a vayasa tirtha. You see today what is the reality so much attempt to glorify nonsense activities of this world through media and so much attempt and where is the attempt to glorify the Lord like crazy politicians leaders all are being glorified every day they are not even more than an animal most of them so low class but there is a glorification going on like days and all and glorification of the Lord उसके लिए मतलब टाइम ही नहीं है किसी को करेक्ट so this is the reality of this world so but still we should hold on to the glorification of the Lord and don't think they don't do it nicely how Brahma composes the verses Brahma Samhita so beautiful therefore Krishna is called Uttama Shloka it's not that it is accepted even though there are mistakes so chalo mistake karo nahi we try to do our best just like we are also singing Hare Krishna Kirtan we are not able to sing like Bhimsen Joshi and kitna log kya unke awaaz can we near them neither our instruments are of that we are playing that Zakir Hussain type bada nothing kuch karte hain idhar udhar marte hain but if it is sincerely done it pleases the Lord and those who are sincere devotee they find ecstasy in it even though it is not done so well at the same time those songs which are sung by this big artist but if in that song there is no glorification of the Lord the devotee is not interested to hear it okay? So that should be our standard Srila Prabhupada ki Srimad Bhagavatam ki